Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you've ever scratched your head wondering how to make your emails or landing pages more visually appealing on Mailchimp, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to wrap text around an image in Mailchimp. It's a simple technique, but it can make your emails feel a lot more dynamic and professional. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to blend images and text seamlessly so your messages always stand out. Alright, let's dive in. First, here we are on our Mailchimp landing page example. Now, whether you're building a full-blown marketing campaign or just experimenting with layouts, it's so helpful to understand how text and images can work together. The trick is to add your content in the right order so everything looks natural and eye-catching. Start by adding a text block. You'll find the text block option in the content area. Just drag it over and drop it onto your layout wherever you want your image and text to appear side by side. Think of the text block like a blank canvas. Whatever you want to say, this is where it'll go. For our example, let's type, "Say hi to my pets." Of course, you can write your own message here, but for this tutorial, we'll keep it short and sweet. Now here, where we bring in the images. With your cursor in the text area, look for the little Content Studio button. This is Mailchimp's hub for all things visual. You can upload, organize, and insert images right from here. Click that button and you'll see a gallery of your uploaded photos, or you can add a new one if you like. Pick the image you want to use, maybe a cute photo of your pets to fit our example, and click Insert. At this point, Mailchimp might ask you about setting a specific width and height for your image. Don't worry if you're not sure what numbers to use here. Unless you need your image to fit a very precise space, it's totally fine to skip this step. Just go ahead and hit Save and Insert. Your image will now appear right in the text block, right where your cursor was placed. Here's the fun part, wrapping the text around the image. With your image now inside the text box, you can click on it to adjust its alignment. Usually, you'll see little icons to align the image left, center, or right. If you want the text to flow alongside your image, like in a magazine or a blog post, select left or right alignment. This way, your text will automatically wrap around the photo, creating that professional, integrated look. You can also play with spacing, maybe enter a couple of spaces or adjust line breaks to get the arrangement just how you want it. Now, it's normal if it doesn't look perfect on the first try. Sometimes the text might bunch up or there's a gap where you didn't expect one. Don't worry, just tweak the placement and experiment with your line breaks or image alignment until it looks good to you. This part might take a few extra moments, but a little patience here will go a long way toward making your email look awesome. And that's it. You've wrapped your text around an image in Mailchimp, and it wasn't nearly as complicated as it might have seemed. If you found this walkthrough helpful, give us a like. It really helps the channel out. And if you have any questions about Mailchimp layouts, or if there's another tutorial you want to see, just drop a comment below. I always love hearing from you. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on more easy guides and tips like this. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.